Welcome to this Root Chakra tapping meditation. We'll begin by finding a comfortable and quiet space. And when you're ready, take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, allow your body to relax. Close your eyes if you feel comfortable, and set the intention to ground yourself and invite balance into your life. Now we'll start tapping on the side of the hand. I am deeply connected to the earth. I am confident in who I am. Eyebrow. I feel stable and secure. Side of the eye. I trust in the foundation of my life. Under the eye. I am supported by the universe. Under the nose. I am safe and grounded. Under the mouth. I embrace the stability within me. Collarbone. I am rooted and strong. Under the arm. I trust in my path. Top of the head. I am connected, I am grounded, I am secure. Now back to the eyebrow point. I am open to receiving abundance. Side of the eye. I am worthy of all good things. Under the eye. I am filled with energy and vitality. Under the nose. I am at peace with my surroundings. Under the mouth. I am secure in my place in the world. Collarbone. I am grounded in love and light. Under the arm. I am resilient and strong. Top of the head. I am balanced, I am whole, I am grounded. Now you can stop tapping and take another deep breath in. And as you exhale, feel the grounding energy flowing through your body. Know that you are supported, secure, and connected. Now if you closed your eyes, you can gently open them, bringing the sense of balance and grounding with you into your day.